Trader. Today we'll trade only using just phone and nothing else. So I'll show you many tricks and how to trade using this device. So subscribe, like and comments, and let's start our video. We see my screen. Let's immediately start with the settings. Turn on the settings, select the time frame, click on the clock. 30 seconds. It's very convenient to select the deals. $100 we traded always, so it's very convenient to trade by phone. Honestly, I've never seen such a convenient one. So very simple, 30 seconds. We can choose line candles. How convenient. You click these points, list of indicators. We'll see absolutely all the indicators. So interesting. If we could use this, we'll use just technical analysis. I'll teach you how to quickly analyze the general structure of our chart. And we see on the left open trades. When you open a deal, everything is visible. So we have this balance, trade on the currency pass. You can also choose cryptocurrency. So we see this tab, click this situation. We see down deal, the arrow down. Trade is one is open. We can go this. I only use just phone. Don't worry, I don't have a computer nearby, so I can watch it absolutely visible. In principle, the volume for lowering candles, we have a pretty good one. 2 confident candles, $192. Good. So who remembers a video about trading by phone? Write in the comments if you also people who watched me. So I remind you that all these signals you'll see in my Telegram channel, the link in the description. Don't forget about it. So what we see here on the screen, up until up deal, trades, we see timing. So everything is absolutely simple. I repeat, thank you to Pocket Option, it's very clear. So plus the LBC. So if you don't have computer, you can trade by phone. Currency pass you can add by clicking to these. And next currency pair, here we opened TL down. I'll explain why. We see cross trade. Let's draw. I'll do a small technical analysis by phone. It's also quite convenient to do. I'll dedicate one of my next videos to this. It's fully explained how to do it by phone. 8 seconds. Resistance level. We see some reversal. And to the candles, it has recently begun to decrease. Plus deal, plus $192. Good. You can draw this here, vertical lines. You can just click on the cross and you'll remove absolutely all your figure drawings to make it more convenient for you. And amount deal, $100. It's quite simple. And I also want to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comments if you have any questions, and I'll be glad to answer them. If you're struggling to understand trading indicators or disappointed with the results, you're probably losing money. My free trading team is here to help you. Every day I share trading signals that you can copy manually or automatically by connecting to my social trading. I'm always ready to help you at every step. If you need to make $50 or even more, $1,000 per day, join my Telegram group now and you'll find interesting stories of new buys and real results. The number of places is limited, so do not miss the chance. Join today and start your profitable trading. So how to trade, for example, and I'll answer you, and all the information you have, you can ask me. Mm, so, what we see here on the screen, this situation on the market, several concepts. I added it to my favorite. Mm, we go to the next concept and continue our trading session. I'll continue to explain to you the general essence of our charts. Here I'm showing several concepts. We see everything convenient. Everything is clear without any bugs. So meanwhile, we moved to the next concept. Upward trade we opened, and now we on the declines. That, so to say, we have drawdown. Yeah, we see there's a certain area of support, lower area of our drawdown, and we will move to the upward direction. It's very important, so I highlight the general trend by connecting certain points. Great. Plus DL is quite simple concept as we come across today. And always choose concept as better ones. It's very important, don't forget about it. Up deal we opened, then drawdown, sharp decline, I would say. And me and my team, we developed my private bot. You can use it also by bots, and I have the video with my bot on the channel. You can also see this and trade with my bots. It's very simple with the help of artificial intelligence. Or you can trade with my signals if you don't want to use my bot. So I remind you about trading sessions, about signals, and you can copy it and trade with me. It's very simple. The link to my Telegram channel in the description. So let's continue what we see here on the next concept. Down the yellow we see. Yeah, I'll try this. Drawdown. It's going down more and more. 5 seconds. I repeat. You can go to the tab. We see this deal closed. We have a blast. There's nothing complicated here. Quite pleasant. Yeah, we see more than 12,000 on our balance. Good. So about who somebody asked me about this amount, and I'll answer in the video. So let's see this tab, social trading time frame. We see about social trading. You can click social trading, enter my ID, and you'll see all the deals I have. And to get my ID, just go to the Telegram channel and you'll see the link. Just text ID and you'll find it, the link. So I think we finished, and you'll see that it's a very convenient to trade by phone. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.